Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will add the sum of three numbers using a function in C programming language. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So I'm using div C++ 5.11 as our C compiler, so it can be download free. In the link below, it is open source. C++ compiler. So we start sharp include library file excuse me, stdio.h, and then we have here a function int addition int a comma int b comma int c curly bracket, and then we can use the keyword return a plus b plus c semicolon. Very simple function to perform addition of three numbers. So here int main begin int x comma y and z, and sum printf, and then we have here the title of our program, addition of three numbers in C using function. Print f okay, enter three numbers. Scanf, we have 3% D here, and then we have here ampersand A comma ampersand B and ampersand C. So we call a function sum equals addition. We put the passing parameters x, y, and z. You just copy, printf, the sum of %d comma %d and %d is %d comma x, y, z sum printf \t end of the program. Okay, so we have already done, so here we declare a function in line 3 to 6, line 10 to 11 we declare series of variables. Line 14, we have here the title of our program, addition of three numbers in C using functions. And then line 16 to 17, it will ask the user to give three numbers. Line 19, we call the function, the variable sum, and then we call the function addition to pass the values that is stored in variable x, y, and z. It will act as an passing parameters or passing variables in this function. And then line 21, we will display the result, and then line 23, end of the program. Let us save. Control S. We make another folder here. Right click, folder, and then we name addition of three numbers using functions in C. We double click that folder, and then we have here addition.c, the file name, and then the extension. Click the save button, and then we go to execute, compile, and run. Okay, so addition of three numbers in C using function. Enter three numbers 1, 2, and 3. So we can have 6. Okay, the sum of 1 and 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, there is a formatting that we have to fix, \t, and then that save, compile, and run. And then we have here 5, 10, and 15. Addition of three numbers in C using functions. Enter three numbers 5, 10, and 15. Okay, we have here the right result. The sum of 5, 10, and 15 is 30. End of the program. So we have already done writing the code, and then we perfectly execute the program with the right result. This is the end of our video tutorial for this moment. Addition of three numbers in C using a function. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.